barely hear you.
I'm Chase Wilson. Welcome to Wilson Brothers Ranch. Today's video, we're down here at the Quonset hut, and we're running into a little bit of a problem. We're gonna have to put a tarp on this Quonset hut, and for that reason, it is heating up inside here. It's just like a greenhouse. All the UV power gets inside, and none of the heat can escape. So it's getting way too hot in here, and to remedy that fact, we have gray tarps in the back of this side-by-side here. And that's what we're going to use to reflect all the UV power. And just as you guys can see in the last couple videos, we weed eated about a week ago now, and this grass is 4 inches tall, and it's grounding at our fence again. So we're gonna have to go ahead and just start weed eating again. So we're going to go ahead and take this fence down and make it easier on ourselves. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So we have plywood up against this beam here, this metal beam. So we give Steven this that I attached with a zip tie, just like so, outside of the tarp. There we go. Now he can loop that through his side.
Walk around out there.
Alrighty. Kind of a weird contraption we got going on, but hey, as long as it works, keeps everything nice and tight. Alright, so we feed a zip tie through the outside, and we're going to replace this plastic so it doesn't matter that much. But I'm going to poke it through the hole into these anchor points in our tarp. And that's gonna attach really nicely to our Quonset hut so the wind's not gonna just pull it right off. Hopefully this lasts for a couple months while it's hot until we get our chicken tractor and our open fields back open and running for summertime. I can do that, yeah. I can try to get that done.
Oh.
It's good, just poke through on the hole. Just poke through on the hole, yep. Alrighty. And these are all laying hens. We got these local from our buddies just from the town over. These are laying hens. Just building up our flock. Bring these in the Quonset. And we're just gonna let them get acclimated.
Compare the other ones.
Alright, it's safe, it's good. Yeah, it's alright. Alrighty. That's 5 down, 5 more to go. Perfect. All right, and that's 5 more. That's 10. So, puppies. All right, so all of the hogs that we harvested down at the Quonset hut have finally got in. They're packaged up, ready to be put in the freezer. And we have a total of 5 boxes. Let's go get them. Oh, I take it back. We have 6 boxes of pork meat. Look at all that right there. All right, and this is box number 6. We already have this all organized, so for now we're just going to go ahead and put the boxes on the ground so we can open them all up at once and get them all organized. We already have 4 pigs worth of pork in here that I just emptied out. This stuff isn't gonna last as long as our new stuff is. So we have to put the new stuff in on the bottom and then move all of our old stuff onto the top because it's not gonna last as long. So Steven's just starting to bring boxes of worth of pork in here. All Wilson Brothers Ranch pork, all organic, farm fresh. getting really hot down here, so we have to have a pool readily available for our geese and, you know, anything that wants to stay out of the heat. We also put the tarps on the Quonset hut. That seems to be doing the job. Seem to keep the temperature down, and everyone's liking the shade. All right, that'll ease up some restriction, and this will flow a lot faster now. All right, down here at the Quonset hut, let's take a peek. It's feeling a lot cooler in here. Our chickens are just laying around. They're not kind of worried about getting behind straw bales and whatnot to stay out of the UV power. All right, seems like the ventilation holes and the tarps on top are helping quite a bit. All right, let's go ahead and head back up there and check on Dad. All right, we'll come check on our water supply in about an hour, see if it's full. We've been filling our trough up for a good day and a half now, and the overflow from our trough runs down to our pond, so that's what we're going down now to check. Our pond is about halfway full of water now. It looks like another day and a half, 2 days to be completely full. All right, if you guys like today's video, go ahead and leave a like down below. It helps out our channel tons. And if you want to see content like this, subscribe to our channel. We do stuff like this every single day on the homestead. Just living out here with our chickens. We had a couple animals here and there we harvested, and just kind of explains what we do every single day to get water and feed to these guys. And yeah, we'd love for you guys to come on the journey with us.